In the context of gravimetric analysis, digestion refers to the process of heating a solution containing the analyte and the reagent to facilitate the formation of a precipitate. The purpose of digestion is to ensure complete and homogeneous precipitation of the analyte, leading to more accurate and reliable results. Here is a detailed process for digestion in gravimetric analysis. 1. Preparation of sample solution. Start with a properly prepared sample solution that contains the analyte in a known volume. Ensure that the sample is representative and free from impurities that may interfere with the analysis. 2. Addition of reagents. Introduce the reagent gradually to the sample solution while stirring continuously. The reagent reacts with the analyte to form a precipitate. 3. Controlled heating. Place the reaction vessel containing the sample and reagent on a heat source. Heat the solution gradually and uniformly to a controlled temperature. The temperature chosen is specific to the reaction and is often mentioned in the analytical procedure. 4. Maintain temperature. Keep the solution at the specified temperature for a defined period. The purpose of maintaining a constant temperature for a specific duration is to ensure complete and consistent precipitation of the analyte. 5. Stirring. During digestion, continue stirring the solution during digestion to maintain homogeneity and enhance the contact between the reactants. The stirring prevents the formation of unevenly sized or agglomerated particles, ensuring a more accurate determination of the analyte. 6. Observation. Monitor the reaction mixture during digestion for any changes in color, appearance, or the formation of a precipitate. Note any observations as they may provide information about the progress of the reaction. Cooling. After the digestion period, allow the solution to cool to room temperature or to a temperature suitable for subsequent filtration.